Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share you the tutorial of how to enable dark mode in your Instagram account. Before wasting any time, let's go to do it. First of all, open your Instagram account. Here you can find it's my Instagram account, and you need to go to this option. Then here you find on right corner there is three lines. Click on it, and here go down, and here you find the option of accessibility. Click on accessibility. Here you find two options, dark mode and captions. So you need to click on dark mode. Here you find that it is off. So if you want to on your dark mode, click on on. Here you go. Here it is in dark mode. You can now see it's in dark mode. If you find this video helpful for yourself, hit like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.